and we will understand what the Agile, we will talk about the Agile Manifesto. We will understand what it is. What is the Agile Manifesto? The Agile Manifesto is a statement of values and principles that guide software development methodologies in a more flexible and collaborative way. Remember, in our earlier discussions, we did define in a manner of sorts agile as an umbrella term for a set of related methodologies and frameworks for a set of related methodologies and frameworks that help us to deliver projects more efficiently. So the Agile Manifesto is key things to note, a statement of these values and of these principles that guides the software development methodologies, these related methodologies that we had earlier talked about in a flexible and collaborative in a flexible and collaborative way. The next thing we're going to discuss is understanding a little bit about the manifesto. The manifesto outlines four calls and 12 principles. It's important to note that four calls and 12 principles. Now, let's talk about the four core values of Agile. Core value one of Agile is that Agile favors individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Individuals and interactions will be preferred over processes and tools. What does that mean? Agile tools would always emphasize on collaboration, face to face communication, and working together. So it's all about the team. Key points to note: collaboration, face to face communication, and working together. These are the foundations of trust in every working environment. And Agile is no different. That is the first core value. The second core value of Agile is that Agile will favor working software over comprehensive documentation. In agile teams, documentation is still relevant. It is still important, but it is not as important as the working software. So working software will always be a priority over documentation. The core value three is that Agile will favor customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Customer collaboration is critical. Agile puts the customer at the center of software development. Customer collaboration is critical to discovering and delivering the right product. You should note this. Everything in yellow is critical. And the fourth core value of Agile is it favors responding to change over following a plan. Agile teams are built to respond to change, means they are flexible, but this does not mean that plans are not important. Plans are still very relevant. However, the plans, regardless of how important they are, uh, and how they are being used, the importance agile approach is to have is to place an importance on being able to change the direction of the project when necessary. So, responding to change is critical and has a precedence over following a plan. These are the four core values of the Agile methodology. In our next module, we're going to talk about the 12 principles of the Agile Manifesto. Thank you.